Hi there, welcome back to this channel. So are you having a problem with your auto rotation on your iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, or iPhone 14 Plus, or any other iPhone with iOS 16? Many people have reported that, well, their auto rotation feature has stopped working on their iPhone with iOS 16. If you have this problem with your iPhone, don't worry, let me move on and show you some other ways to solve your problem. Before I start telling you the main troubleshooting guide, here are what you need to do. There are certain applications like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and many other apps that doesn't support the auto rotation features on their device. Now, as you guys can see here, I'm trying to just, do the landscape mode from this Facebook and Instagram. It doesn't work. That means no matter how hard you're going to try, you're not going to be able to use the landscape mode for those applications. Now, let's say you are not even be able to use that auto rotation features for other applications, then the next thing that I'm going to talk about here is simple. Simply go ahead and swipe down from the top here. Now very closely look at this option called lock. Now many people don't know this, but if you enable this option and if it shows you this with the red icon, that means you actually lock this option. Now if you just do this one and if you just try to just open up any application and try to put your phone into the landscape mode, it is not going to work. So in that case, simply come over here and turn up these features and try to check your problem. Now let's say you did that, but still you have a problem. That could mean you have a problem with the software. Now to solve your software related problem, you can simply press the volume up button, down button, and quickly press and hold your power button and keep it holding unless your iPhone shows the Apple logo. Well, let's just say you have just restarted your iPhone, but nothing helps. You still have problem with auto rotation. Then the next things I'm going to talk about some of the settings from your iPhone. So all you got to do is just tap on your settings on your iPhone here and scroll down there, tap on screen time and scroll down again and tap content and privacy restriction. Now if you found out your content and privacy restriction is enabled, just like that, simply toggle this feature off. Now get back here before you just retry to check your problem. Now come to your setting again and now scroll down here, tap on general, scroll down all the way to your transfer and reset iPhone and simply go ahead and tap on reset. Tap reset all settings and now simply tap on reset all settings again. Now tap reset all settings one more time and after that your iPhone is going to remove all those customized settings that you have previously changed, and right after that your iPhone is going to be able to solve the problem, and after that you'll be able to use that landscape mode, or let's say auto rotation is going to work on your iPhone without even having any problem. These are the ways that you guys can follow to solve your auto rotation issues on your iPhone 14 series or any other iPhone with iOS 16. I hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.